Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out, is it bull trap or bearish reversal? What's going on with the stock market world on a daily time frame? Let's switch to, as usually, to 5 rules of risk management. Remember, for every trade we are using 5 rules of risk management, and please follow it and you will be successful. Now let's move to trading view. Stock market heat map, all USA companies based on the market cap and daily performance. Looks like everything red. Everything red except Meta. Meta still positive after earnings, plus 4.5%, Nvidia plus 1%. Everything else kind of red. Tesla minus 3.25. Okay, let's move to my watch list and we will do technical review. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let's start from DXY, USA dollar daily time frame for swing trading. I'm using daily time frame for entry and exit position. I'm using moving averages. White line it's SMA 200, yellow line it's EMA 20, red line is SMA 10, green line is SMA 5. Buy and sell script indicator, MACD indicator, RSI yellow line, and Heikanaichi indicator green and red bars. That's all very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved. Let me show you how it works. How works simple trading style, right? Let's see MA5 green line. It's a red circle. It did bearish crossover over 10 and 20 over yellow and red. And the bar moved below MA5 sell signal. For me, it's entry point, and I did put stop on the previous bar top. I could lose only one bar if market decided to go in opposite direction, but at the same time I had the ability to gain multiple bars short. I did short, and here we received buy signal. It's a bottom, bearish reversal, and what we have now, bullish crossover, right? MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. Over 10 and even ready to do bullish crossover over 20. It's a bullish reversal signal for USA dollar on daily time frame. Bullish trend is bearish for indexes. Now let's move to and today dollar plus 0.75%. It's a nice, very large move. Qs minus 0.25% today, but it was it was kind of like bull trap, right? Look at it. This bar, it was plus 1.5% during the before market open, and during the day it was plus 1.5%, and suddenly it was minus 1.5%. It means it's exhaustion bar. The buyers, they bought the Qs, but at the same time they couldn't hold it, and sellers sold it. This fight, and it's a bull, looks like it's a bull trap, and it came back below the May 510. That's still bearish reversal, bearish signal on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. It's the 4 hours time frame. It was bullish. Actually, what it did today interesting. I didn't tell you. On the 4 hours time frame, I can tell you. You see, it was gap over here. Gap, and it did close this gap. It was a gap, and it did close this gap. That's what Qs did. They bounced, they closed the gap, and now it's ready to continue bearish trend. Bearish trend on all indicators on last bar closed below 20. Bearish trend. 1 hour time frame. You see over here it was gap, and it did bounce this bar, and it did close the gap. Actually, it didn't close the gap. It little bit still left. 385. 384.50, 385. Yeah, $1 gap, still left $1 gap. Okay, still $1 gap. Okay, it did bull run today. You see, like today it did gap up, bull run, and it did sell off. And bars came back below yesterday level. They closed at the yesterday level. Bearish reversal on all indicators. Even today, you see VXN volatility index, it did move to positive territory. It did plus 4.5%. Looks like some fear. Now it's some fear on the market finally, because we didn't see fear before. Some fear on the market plus 4.5%. SPX minus 0.64% to the minus 3/4%. Negative bar, same story. It did move, it did make a new high, it touched 4,600 and it did sell off and it closed below MA5 and 10, even closed below yesterday. Very negative, bearish reversal on all indicators and still bearish divergences, right? Nothing changed, look at it. On MACD, still bearish divergence. On RSI, still bearish divergence, nothing changed. Price action was uptrend direction. Let me show you. Price action was just up. That's what we have. Definitely bearish reversal signal. Next week could be very red, very red. Let's see. And 4 hours time frame, because usually after the Fed's meeting, next week very volatile, very red. The reaction after Fed meeting is like next few days or next week, but not on the Fed day. Okay, 4 hours time frame, same bearish reversal signal on all indicators. Last bar stopped at MA20. We'll see MA20 can handle it as a support or it will do bearish crossover. 1 hour time frame, it did bearish crossover over 20 and moved below 20. Bearish signal, sell signal from the script, all indicators bearish. Bearish reversal signal on 1 hour time frame, gap up and close the gap and move lower. Move lower even below July 20th. Nice exhaustion. And even today, look at that fear on the VIX. It was fear. VIX was today plus 10% up. It closed 9.25. It was nice bull run. Usually when it moves 10%, it means next 2 days will be positive for SPX. Can be tomorrow be positive for SPX. Or Monday. We'll see. It's an 86% chance. It's not 100%. 86% chance. VIX, bullish, positive. Let's see on the daily what's going on with VIX. Nice green bar. Still bullish on all indicators and close about 20. Bullish reversal. It's a negative for SPX, for S&P 500. Dow Jones finally it minus 3/4% because it was for 13 bars strong straight bull run. Something like that didn't happen from 1987. We didn't see it for a very long time. Straight bull run. Finally, it did bearish reversal, not bearish reversal, bearish bar, red bar. Finally, it did close below MA5. You see from this point, from July 10, it did move up and moved about all moving averages, and it did move straight up. And it's the first crossover of the MA5. Still bullish on all indicators, even it was today negative. 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, it did bearish reversal. Sell signal from the script, MA5 ready for bearish crossover over 10. All indicators bearish, but remember our full bearish reversal when MA5 and bars move below 20. Bearish reversal and 1 hour time frame. Bearish confirmed bearish reversal on all indicators. Sell signal from the script. MA5 and 10 bearish crossover. Bearish reversal on all indicators. VXD today just have percent positive, no fear for Dow Jones. Russell 2000. Russell 2000 was today negative, -1.25%. Also, it did new high, recent high, it did nice move up, recent high, and it did sell off. It sell off and close below previous 7 days. Very negative, bearish reversal on all indicators. One day, change direction of the Russell 2000. 4 hours time frame, same story, Russell 2000, bearish reversal on all indicators. 1 hour time frame, sell signal, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20, bearish reversal signal on all indicators, bearish trend. Now let's move to RVX, Russell 2000 volatility index. It is positive today, plus 4.5%. Now, some investors, they're buying some volatility indexes. They're buying some protection. That's new. We didn't observe it before. Now it's green, it's bullish, it's bearish for IWM. Apple. Let's see Apple daily, same story. It did move nice bull run, was positive, and it did close negative, -0.75%. It closed at MA5 and 10. Bearish divergences on all indicators. Still bullish trend because it's still about 20, but bearish divergences, a bearish signal on all indicators. 4 hours time frame. Sell signal still above MA20, did touch, even did move below 20. Still in the positive bullish territory on the price action. Bearish divergences and bearish signal on all indicators. On 4 hours time frame for Apple and 1 hour time frame, definitely bearish reversal signal. Sell signal from the script. And MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. And last bar below all moving averages except 200. Bearish signal on all indicators. Tesla -3.25% today. Let's start. It still left that huge gap above, I don't know, $11 gap. It should be close. Not necessary for the regular stocks. All gaps should be close. For indexes, in the most cases, it should close. Especially like weekly gaps, usually always close like large gaps. Some light small gaps it can leave. But for the regular stocks, we'll see it's a huge gap. We'll see bearish trend on 1 hour time frame, very bearish, very negative, all moving averages and bars below to all moving averages. All indicators bearish. It's kind of a touch previous level, but MACD you see uptrend, bullish divergence, RSI uptrend, bullish divergence. Looks like Tesla wants to have positive bullish correction. 4 hours time frame, still bearish trend. MA5 10 below 20, bearish trend. Gap, it left gap above and still gap below. Bearish signal on all indicators and bearish trend on moving averages. Daily time frame, same story. It has 3 gaps, right? It has even 1 gap below over here, below 150. We'll see. So far, it's a bearish reversal. MA sell signal from the script. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. Last bar, it did nice move. Today it touched MA20, was rejected from MA20 and closed same level as before 3 days ago. On July 24th. Bearish trend on all indicators. Alibaba Group minus almost 2% today, 1.75, almost -2. Daily time frame, nice bull run, and it did nice close. It was a gap up and it closed and it did sell off. Did sell off, all indicators still positive, still bullish. RSI has bearish divergence. Daily time frame, still last bar disconnected from May 20. Remember, MA20 is still uptrend, it's still positive bullish. 4 hours time frame, still bullish with bearish divergences on all indicators. Last bar moved below MA5, but it's not bearish reversal signal yet because it's still above 20. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is already bearish. Already bearish reversal because last bar moved below 20. MA5 did bearish crossover. All indicators in bearish reversal signal for 1 hour time frame for BABA. Nvidia today one of the stocks that is positive. All stocks negative from my watch list, and Nvidia is positive. Only $1 is positive and Nvidia is positive, and all volatility indexes. Nvidia plus 1%. Let's see. Let's start from 1 hour, right? It did gap up since from yesterday. Nice bull run. It did touch the same level, resistant level, and it was sell off from that level, right? It was sell off from that level, and it's ready for bearish reversal. It stopped at MA20. Not confirmed bearish reversal yet, still in the progress, not confirmed. 4 hours time frame, still positive because last bar still, even it's a red bar, but still above all moving averages, still positive territory on moving averages. Even MACD red bearish, Fibonacci bullish. And daily time frame, yeah, remember that still this gap, still below 20% gap. I believe it will be close someday. We'll see. Last bar still above all moving averages. Still bearish reversal signal on all indicators, but last price action bar above all moving averages. It is still positive territory. No bearish reversal confirmation, even all indicators already bearish. Or Nvidia. Microsoft minus 2%. Another negative day. Microsoft already it was 1 positive day and 6 negative. MA sell signal from the script, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20, last bar closed below 20. For us, it's completely confirmed bearish reversal signal. All indicators bearish. 4 hours time frame, MA5, 10 and bars below MA20, bearish reversal signal on all indicators. 4 hours time frame and 1 hour time frame, also bearish reversal signal on all indicators. MA20, MA5 and 10, MA20 did bearish crossover. It is very negative, very bearish when MA20 did bearish crossover on 1 hour time frame. That's all. Let's do summary. Let's do summary for all indexes. It was today, I believe it was bull trap. It was a nice bull run. It was exhaustion bar, very powerful, very nice bull run. At the same time, everything was sold off. Everything was sold off. It means no power for buyers to hold the bullish trend. And it's a bearish reversal. Market cannot hold the bullish power, and it's building bearish reversal signal, especially for earnings season. I believe next week could be very negative. Be careful. I know it's not confirmed yet. Q's the most negative, yeah? Q's gave us bearish reversal signal on all indicators on all time frames. But others, SPY also, SPX already kind of gave us a signal, but it's not confirmed yet. But yeah, Dow, it's still bullish. IWM already also gave us bearish reversal signal. That's what we have. Be careful if you're long, put stop or get in a cash position. Just wait for the result. if market will decide to go bearish. Just put tight stop to make sure you will save your profit. That's all. Bearish reversal, bull trap, and be ready for correction next week. Now let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get consistently profitable at least for 6 months. Please read it. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye traders.